as we learn about subtraction with decimals, we're going to look at our step-by-step process and hopefully realize something as we did with adding with decimals. Step 1, you are to write the larger number on top. So I have 16 and 7/10. That is the larger number. I'm going to align the place values. So again, I'm going to use my decimal point as a guide for my alignment, and all my numbers should fall into place. My decimal point, my 7 is the ones, under the 6 in the ones, 4 is in the tenths, under the 7 in the tenths, and 4 is in the hundredths, which isn't under a number because 16.7 does not have a number in the hundredths. I'm going to start with the smallest place value and carry when necessary. So what I hope you are realizing is this is the same exact process as if we were doing whole numbers. So again, our decimals are not affecting our process in any way. So here I could write in a 0, just as a reminder. 0 minus 4 cannot be done, and this is a common mistake I will see. Students will write down 4 here, forgetting the rule of carrying and borrowing. So you need to borrow from the 7 to create a 10 minus 4, which is 6. 6 minus 4 in the tenths is 2. 6 minus 7 cannot be done, so I'm going to borrow from my 1. And 16 minus 7 is 9. Now again, before I place that decimal point, it should just fall down in line. But I always want to ask myself, does it make sense? This is such an important question this year in math, and it's such an important question all the time in math, and really just in life. So I do that with a quick estimate. 16 minus 7 equals 9. My estimate is as simple as that. So my decimal point, in fact, makes sense between the 9 and the 2 to create 9.26. If I moved it to the right, 92.6 does not make any sense whatsoever. If I moved it to the left, 926 thousandths, a number less than 1, absolutely does not make sense. And even farther to the right, 926 is nowhere near the right answer. So it's the only thing that makes sense. And now I am confident that my answer, even if I'm off slightly with a small calculation, my answer does at least make sense.